Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Hyundai I40, stock reference number 4471. This shape runs from the 6th month 2015 through to the 12th month 2019. There's a D4FD 1.7 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. D4FD 1.7 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Left tail boot lid garnish. It's got a tidy rear park sensor type bumper bar. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand boot lid garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror has a few scratches. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console with electric handbrake, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone button. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.